Have you ever planned a retreat? If not, are you ready to? If you have, are you tired of planning those retreats or events that aren't making you any money? You start out and it looks good on paper, but then at the end, you haven't made anything. I want to give you 3 proven steps that are going to help you turn your retreat into a money maker. So the first is you want to focus on setting clear goals. What is the goal for your retreat? What do you want to achieve? Are you trying to do team building? Are you working on strategic planning? Is it a content creation event? Are you trying to motivate employees? What is the goal of your event? You can't have 1,001 goals, just need to have one that you want to accomplish. Why do I say one? Because if you have a whole bunch of them, then people aren't going to be satisfied. They're going to walk away all scattered. They're not going to know what it was about. So you want to have a goal and set it and make sure that that's what you focus on. You want to make sure that those goals or the ones that you have are aligned with what your business is. So if my objective is to help you to travel more, work less, and increase income, those are the things that I'm going to focus on because that's what my mission, my motivation, my objective is. And that's going to make your retreat a lot more profitable. So, your goals, setting clear goals and objectives that align is what's going to help you. The next thing is to turn your retreat into a moneymaker or to help you increase your income, you want to have add-on packages. You want to sell something additional. Consider having a premium experience. Maybe they can work with you later at one-on-one. Maybe you can do a networking event or something where there is an additional fee. This is going to boost your overall profits. It's going to boost your revenue and it's going to give your attendees more value. For me, providing value for you is through this video or these videos. And so I would love for you to like or subscribe if you're interested in getting more information about getting revenue from retreats, traveling more, working less, and increasing your income. So the third and final one is to have a post-retreat event. You want to be able to follow up with something for your attendees. Maybe it's a post-retreat workshop. Maybe it is something where you get together once a month or once a year. You want to be able to offer that as a group for everyone, and this will help you increase your income. Maybe you want to provide ongoing support. Maybe you want some type of educational component that you put in place. This is a little different from number two because number two is actually an upsell of your service, an upsell of something that you offer. This is more of your follow up. This is more of your staying in touch and figuring out what people are doing, where they're at, and how successful your retreat was. By putting these strategies in place, you can make this profitable not only for you, but for your attendees because they are going to benefit from that ongoing relationship with you. Thank you for watching. God bless you. God keep you is my prayer always. But I want to give you this bonus tip. Try to have a virtual event. If you're going to have a post follow-up retreat, try to do it as a virtual event. That way, if you have people who are coming from different states to your retreat, they don't feel left out. They'll feel like they are still part of the event and connecting with everyone there.